Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the volume on ACER Predator 17. You can do it in two different methods. Either click on the speaker button and adjust the volume, or if you want to do it more conveniently, there are arrows on the keyboard. So if you see the keyboard here, there are arrows, and the up and down arrows are for changing the volume, but to use them you need to combine them with the FN key, which is right here, and if you click them both at once it will change the volume. And I hope that video was helpful. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.